In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the leverage in Exness. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to hover on the left side panel. Click the Trading tab. There's going to be a drop-down menu. I want you to click on the My Account section. Here, you will see your trading accounts. You can choose from a real account or a demo account. And then select the account that you wanted to change the leverage. For example, I am choosing this one. And find the three-dot menu beside the account, which is going to be this one. Because if you click on it, you will see multiple options, and there you have it. I want you to click the Adjust Leverage. Now you'll see your leverage option. You have like 1 is to 2,000, 1 is to 220, 1 is to 50, 1 is to 100, 1 is to 200, so on and so forth. If you want a 1 is to unlimited, you can do that as well if your account qualifies for it. Because remember, your actual leverage may vary depending on various conditions. If you are eligible, click the Save button. Remember, before using high leverage, remember this: high leverage can increase profits, but it can also loses very quickly. All right, but basically that's it for today's video on how to change a leverage in Exness. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.